I hope you remember unpacking a mystery box with a lot of different gifts for tattoo and permanent makeup artists from the INKin tattoo. Today, as promised, we are going to test the main character of this set, the Rampage wireless tattoo pen. Make yourself comfortable, and if you haven't seen the unpacking of this box yet, follow the link. This is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. INKin is a Chinese company that produces tattoo equipment for artists around the world. The company was founded in 2011 and has 13 years history. The company informs that every product meets standards of quality and reliability. Let's start with the packaging. Black matte cardboard packaging on top of tattoo machine box with picture and name our tattoo equipment. Also, it has a QR code to go to the Instagram page. Let's remove the cardboard. The tattoo machine box has the same design as the main box. There is information about color of tattoo pen. Believe me, color is very beautiful. The needle stroke. This tattoo pen has the needle stroke of 4.5 millimeters and one wireless battery to work. Inside, the instruction in several languages. One bright sticker. Lots of foam rubber for safe transportation of the machine. The tattoo machine put in the cool and very comfortable case. It's very convenient, especially if you travel a lot and participating in the conference and master classes. Everything is done in the same style and design, in the same color scheme, black and green, very stylish. We will return to the machine later. There is a small box with Type-C cable for charging our wireless battery. So I'm opening case with tattoo machine. Again, there is foam rubber for safe transportation of the machine. The pen color is very beautiful, royal purple with black gradient from the grip. Made the body with INKin logo. The first impression, the equipment is weighty but not very heavy. Length is 134. So let's talk about the characteristics of Rampage from INKin Tattoo. I always start with the machine weight. In the technical specifications, the machine weight is 217 grams. We cannot do without our scales. On the scales is 217 grams. The device weight is a little heavy for my hand. If you have worked with lighted tattoo machine before, your hand will need to get used to the weight. You will some time. But there is a good distribution of the center of gravity and it gives a good balance. The grip is wide and has recesses. My fingers put on these recesses conveniently and fixing on the grip is comfortable. The tattoo artists work with such form factor more often. Rampage has three colors: royal purple and green. These colors have the needle stroke of 4.5 mm. And third color is gray, but this color has the needle stroke of 4 mm. Price is about $209. It's now December 2024. The working voltage is from 5 to 12 volts. Your operating voltage on this tattoo machine starts from only 5. Of course, this tattoo pen can work with permanent makeup, lips, lids, brows, areola, scars, and any type tattoo techniques. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold this button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. The buttons with plus and minus change the working voltage. Press the start button once to start the device. On the screen you see information about the operating voltage. The circle is the state of charge of your battery. There is also information about hertz on the screen. What is this? In tattoo machine, hertz indicates the frequency and at which the needle strikes per second. If you increase the voltage, hertz also increase, because the needle makes more punctures per second. 1 hertz is 1 beat per second. If we hold down the minus and plus buttons at the same time, we rotate the information on the screen. The INKin informs that the battery provides 5-7 hours of work. It depends on the operating voltage that you use while working. Removing the wireless battery for charging is easy. According to the instructions, the battery is equipped with an extreme temperature protection circuit. It will automatically shut down if overloaded or higher temperature during use. Rampage has jump start function. The reset has name kick start. These functions supply the machine with a higher voltage than the operating voltage for a split second. Some cartridges have hard membrane and your standard operating voltage may not be enough to start them. If I hold the start button for 2 seconds, the tattoo machine starts in classic mode. One more time. If I put the start button for twice, the tattoo machine starts with kick start function. On the screen you are seeing a light 9 icon. One more time. Grip diameter is 39 mm. The holder is completely removable and it must sterilize. The needle stroke is 4.5 mm. This device doesn't provide for changing the needle stroke. The INKin Rampage has a long needle stroke. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with locking clicks. So for good flow pigment, I recommend the needle protrusion of up to 4 or 4.2 mm. Of course, compatible with many cartridges from famous companies. Let's turn on our Rampage. I'm gonna to work with cartridges also from INKin company. A review of them will definitely be on my channel in the near future. Don't miss. My working voltage 5 is comfortable voltage for my work with permanent makeup. Let's go! Pen works great in the powder technique. It's quite energetic, but it wasn't very hard stroke. Comfortable to work with it. If you use cartridges with a softer membrane, the pen will feel even less hard. Now my working voltage is 8.5. Rampage is a wireless tattoo machine with a long needle stroke from the INKin Tattoo company. If you have worked with lighter tattoo machine before, your hand will need to get used to the weight, but there is a good distribution of the center of gravity and it gives good balance. Device can work with various permanent makeup techniques. You can work with various size tattoo, areola, scars and trigger pigmentation. Tattoo pen has kickstart functions for work with cartridges with hard membrane. The battery is equipped and extreme temperature protection secured. I recommend the Rampage to practicing artists who have a lot of experience working with various equipment and techniques, and also for confident beginners who can work with long stroke equipment with more powerful impact force. Otherwise, the client's skin may be over-injured. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.